my channel. My name is Katie. So if you are new to this channel, I'd like to welcome you to subscribe so that you will be alerted when a new video is up in the future. And today, I will be talking about how to upgrade your Canva account. Right now, the setup for Canva is that either you are on a free account or you are on a paid account. Now, the paid account for Canva is called Canva For Work. And the good thing is that Canva is really so generous that they would let you try the Canva For Work account for free for 30 days so that you can see what is the difference between having a free account and a paid account. The good thing about having a Canva For Work account, which I really like, is that you can organize your files, you can organize your folders, you can take advantage of different premium templates, and of course, there are more templates than if you only have a free account. If you were able to watch the previous video a few days ago, you will only be able to add 3 colors to your account. So let's go ahead and let me walk you through on how to try the Canva For Work account. As of the moment, you're just looking at a Canva 2.0 interface, okay? If you see your interface with mostly white background, it's minimalistic and I really like it, then you are on the Canva 2.0 interface already. Now, what you need to do is to click on this upgrade. That's after you log in, of course. And then after you click on upgrade, you will see this. Try Canva For Work free for 30 days. Yes, it's free. You need to have a valid payment method already because Canva will require you to input your account information. But I tell you, if you subscribe to Canva For Work, I'm sure that would be life-changing for you. So why is it life-changing? Here are some of the advantages that you will be experiencing. So you can take control of your brand kit. You can resize your design. So resizing means if you created an Instagram post size design, then you can create Pinterest, you can create Facebook post size and all that stuff. So virtually any of the sizes you can resize, okay? And also you can create animated graphics because of its GIF capability, and you can also collaborate by sharing templates and folders with your team members, and of course you can download designs with transparent background. So that's really one of the things that I really like. That's why I subscribed to Canva For Work even before I became a Canva certified creative. So at this point, you have the option to click this, try it free, or to click this, maybe later. But of course, why would you choose maybe later, right? So it says here, you can cancel anytime, and like I've mentioned this in the past, Canva will email you 3 days before your trial ends. So if you are looking to cancel the account, then it's not a big problem because Canva will alert you 3 days. So before you get charged, you already have the option whether to push through with your subscription or to cancel for now. All right, so let's click on try it free for 30 days. Okay, and it says here, upgrade to Canva For Work and get 30 days free. So your first 30 days are free and you can cancel anytime. Say for example, you signed up for this free trial and you decided to cancel after 15 days. You can still use your remaining 15 days even if you already canceled on the first 15th day. After you cancel, please know that you will also lose whatever fonts that you uploaded, so you won't be able to use that anymore. You will lose the color palettes that you have created, and you will lose access to the folders that you have created as well. So if I decide to upgrade right now, my first bill will be scheduled for January 27, 2019. That means I have exactly 30 days to try Canva For Work and create projects using the premium account. And of course, like mentioned earlier, And let me just reiterate that you will be reminded 3 days before your trial ends. Now, for the pricing, there's two options. It's either you get charged monthly or you get charged annually, and you save 23% of the total payment. So if you pick monthly, you will be charged $12.95 per month. So this is in US dollars. And then if you pay yearly, this is where the confusion is. It says $9.95 per month. It does not mean that you will only be paying $9.95 per month. As soon as you sign up, you will be billed $119.40, and that's just one charge. Okay, so you will not pay $9.95 per month, and it will not be 12 payments as well in 1 year. It will only be one payment of $9.95 times 12. All right, are we clear on that? And now, once you've decided whether you want to take advantage of the monthly or the annual subscription, then you will be asked to enter your credit card details or credit card information. I was informed that you can also use a debit card. So if you have a debit card with online purchasing power, then you can probably try that. So just input your card number, input the expiration date and the CVC, and then click on claim free trial. And once your card is approved, then you will be able to take advantage of the Canva for Work free for 30 days. So that's how easy it is to upgrade and try the Canva for Work account. If you have any question, please feel free to comment, and I'll be here to help you out. Thank you so much again for visiting my channel, and you have a great day or you have a great night wherever you are in the world. I'll see you on my next video. Goodbye.
Before you came round, my heart would never beat much faster. Before you came round, I was ready to slow